This is PipelinePro. It is a marketing automation that I found to be very, very useful for business owners, entrepreneurs, managing directors, C-suite. If you're running a business, you need to find out if your team is actually booking appointments. This is something that I would find very useful. So it has a calendar option where you can, or integration where you can connect your team's calendars to just find out what's going on in terms of their department and what kind of meetings are they setting up. You have a contact section here as well for the kind of contacts that you've generated, although I'll later on show you how you can actually generate leads that you can then save within the same software and then reach out to them. So you stay within the same app. You have payments, which covers not just invoices, but also documents and procurement, which you can also design within the same. You can also track orders, transactions. You can do a product inventory, collections, whatever it is, get reviews from customers, coupons, and of course the payment integrations here, which you have PayPal, you have Stripe, you have authorized.net. If you are into e-commerce, this would also be a very interesting software to work with, okay? Then you have an area where you can build a funnel. So if you're into marketing and you have teams and you want to generate, you can do that. If you're someone who's into public relations, that is also something you can do. If you want to do bulk messaging through SMS, email, WhatsApp, whatever it is, you have an outbound section here. Then this is really the cool part about this, which is also a standalone, but doesn't come with the $67 one-off payment that you get to the software. So this is able to, like LinkedIn Premium, generate for you a list of um, prospects that you want to work with. Okay, so let's say that you wanted to reach out to CEOs you wanted to reach out to, you can do that within this bit. Okay, so it's something I believe that every business owner needs, because without this you can't really generate leads. It's becoming more and more difficult to find leads offline, and the platforms are becoming more expensive every day. Okay, so this is another platform. You can look at that. Top titles you should focus on. It even has an AI bit that makes suggestions for you, and yeah, that's it. So if you wanted to do lead search, there are basically 5 categories. So you have people, companies, B2B, domains. If you wanted to get email addresses off a specific domain, you can do that here. If you wanted to vet influencers on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, you can also do that here. So this is a very cool software if you ask me. And see you in the next video, and check out my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Cheers.